assembler the object of the following is not a type of assembler. Which of the following is not this resolution of local symbols are done using assembler, the pseudocode of the following system program to generate absolute machine code and load it into physical from which it will be executed immediately upon completion of the assembler. The option load and get termed as the option assembler. An assembler is machine dependent. The option. It's an action to be performed during execution of pass assembler. The task of the pass tool is to synthesize the target program. The option. Double I stands for the option table of incomplete instructions. Assembler is a machine dependent because of the option name of operation table MOT. Assembler is a program that automates the translation of assembly language into machine language. B option. Forward reference table is arranged like C option linked list. A single two-pass assembler does which of the following in the first pass? D, all of the above. It allocates space for the literals. It computes the total length of the program. It builds the symbol table for the symbols and their values. Which of the following is not a function of pass one of an assembler? The option generate data. The instructions like move or add are the option of code. Instruction which will not appear in the object program are called as the option assembler directives. The assembler stores all the names and their corresponding values in the option symbol table. With the branching code, the assembler finds the branch offset and replace the branch target with it. C option. The source program should be the option end. Address symbol table is generated by the B option assembler. Which of these features of assembler are machine dependent? All of the mentioned: instruction format, addressing modes, and program relocation. In a two-pass assembler, pseudocode EQ is to be evaluated during the option pass one. The translator used by second generation language is a option assembler. A simple two-pass assembler does which of the following in the first pass? D option, all of these. In analyzing compilation of PLI program, the description using symbolic address labels and generating machine language are associated with assembly and output. The option. Pass assembler, most of the forward reference can be avoided by putting the restrictions. The option that the data segment must be defined after the code segment. Pass two performs processing of assembler directives not done by during pass one, and write the object program and assembly listing, assembly instruction, and generate data. The option. Pass one. Save the values assigned to all tables for using pass two. Perform some processing of assembler directives. Assign to all statements in the program. D. Which table is permanent databases that can entry for an each terminal symbol? C option, terminal table. Which of the following system program forgoes the production code to generate absolute machine code and load into physical main storage location from which it will be executed immediately upon completion of the assembly? The option, load and go assembler. In a two-pass assembler, symbol table is not the following. Forward reference table, use array data structure. Mnemonic table contains machine of code. Segment register table, use linked list data structure. Code EQ, assembler directives. Study which of the following program is not a utility? C option, spooler. Software that allows your computer to interact with the user and application hardware. C option, system software. Program that coordinates computer resources, provide an interface between users and the programs computer run applications are called. B, operating system. This type of program performs specific tasks related to managing computer is also known as service program. A option, utility. The purpose of origin directive is to indicate the starting position in memory where the program block is to be stored. Machine language instruction format consists of C option, operation code field and operand field. The extension file, that is a file to be accepted by link a valid object file, a.obj file. Which of the following are language processors? D. Programming language. Strong correspondence between the language and architect machine code instruction is termed as assembly language. Binder performs the function of all of these, allocation, relocation, linking. Which development tool program has put or allocate the specific address so as to be load the object code into memory? B option, locator. The assembler list file generated by an assembler mainly includes binary codes, assembly language statements, offset for instructions. Which kind of assembler does not generate the programs in similar language as that used by microcontrollers by developing the program in high level languages, making them as machine independent cross assembler? What kind of address is usually assigned to program by the linker adaptive execution assembler? Relative address starting from 0. What are the associated high level language compilers? C option, both and B, generation of application program, conversion of generated code from high level language to machine level language. Modification source program in addition to assembly and high level languages editor. In a character provision or some debuggers to stop the execution after each instruction because it facilitates to analyze to vary the contents of memory and register. There is a program that appears to execute a source as if it were machine language. Which of the following in the first class? C option, ABC are correct. Space for the letters, total length of the program, and symbol table for the symbols and their values. Mnemonic refers to codes. Mnemonic represent operation codes to present address in the assembly language. We use characters. Data generation computer use assembly language. Second generation, the assembly translates in isomorphically dashed mapping from mnemonic in these statements to machine instructions. The option 1:1. In second pass, assembly creates data binary format for every instruction. Program refers to symbol table, view symbol in and the option code and offset. In which code is a object file is coded? The option binary code. Which type of errors are detected by the assembler? And A. Move AX BX in the lines code, which type of error is declared? Undeclared identifier move. What type of errors are not treated by assembler's logical error? An assembler is a utility program that performs isomorphic translation. Assembler are of two types, both A and B, first one pass and two pass. Which of the following not example system software word processor? The address is designed to solve specific program to a specific task. Application software. Which statement are used for user memory for variables? Declaration statement. Which are advanced assembler directives? Yeah. LTORG. Which directive used to reset location counter? A. Origin. Correct syntax of origin. Origin A. Correct syntax for LTORG is LTORG. D option. Match the following. Option is B. It may use to specify size of variables. C option D. Yes. The simple two-pass assembler The first pass, C option, it builds the symbol table for symbols and their values. What will be the LCF value after end of code? D option, 205. With the address of literal 5 address 205, literal 6 address is 206. What will be the address of literals? C option, literal 5 address 208, literal 2 address is 2. What will be the address of literals? Option B. Press and labels in the following table. Option D is correct. What will be the address of D and A? Then the address of literals. Answer B. Address of first literal 108 and address of first letter 1. Each serial code indicates the assembler with general purpose register user base and what it content will be. Of assembly level programming are access to error are less, debugging is easy. Issue that issue for every assembly level program is C option .asm. Thank you.